Apple. Here's why Tesla should fear the Apple car. Hello everyone and welcome back to Top Money. It was kind of inevitable that Tesla's biggest challenger wouldn't be a car company. And over the past few years, Apple has been working on its self-secret project Titan, the Apple brand vehicle project. As some kind of information has been leaked, rumors have been circulating for some time that Apple is planning to make a vehicle, providing a challenge to Tesla. People jokingly dubbed this new Apple car the iCar, but those rumors grew into leaks as insiders revealed that this was in fact being researched. Now, a recent report placed the potential release just a few years away, making now a good time to reflect on Apple's technology, brand, and whether it could actually become a threat to Tesla. Today we're going to be talking about whether Tesla should fear the Apple car. In this video, you will find the most reliable and detailed information about the Titan project. Make sure you stay until the end because this information is really incredible. The work on Project Titan started in 2014, with upwards of 1,000 employees working on developing an electronic vehicle at a secret location near its Cupertino headquarters. Back in 2014, the person responsible for its implementation was Steven Zadisky, a former Ford engineer, having 1,000 Apple employees under his command, working at a secret California lab named G5 to make Project Titan a reality. The Apple Car project has changed leadership several times and hundreds of employees have been laid off during the course of development. But it is now under the leadership of John Ganondria, Apple's AI and machine learning chief, who took over the reins from Bob Mansfield after Mansfield retired in 2020. Over the course of the last few years, rumors indicated Apple had shifted its focus to autonomous driving software, but Apple in August 2018 rehired Tesla's engineer Doug Field, leading to speculation that Apple would again be exploring e-car option. In December 2020, thanks to the insider's information, we learned that Apple is indeed still working on a full car, and right now plans to release a vehicle in 3 to 6 years, and this is a real reason for Tesla to worry. Elon Musk said it was obvious that the company would try to make a compelling car of its own. It's pretty hard to hide something if you hire over 1,000 engineers to do it, he said. But he did not see the iPhone maker as a threat. It will expand the industry, he said. Tesla will still aspire to make the most compelling electric vehicles, and that would be our goal, while at the same time helping other companies to make electric cars as well. It seems like Apple's glide path to build a viable and competitive autonomous electric vehicle is still far from visible, but the tech giant's Project Titan is back on track. Reuters has said Apple is aiming for 2024, but Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes the car won't launch until 2025 to 2027 at the earliest. Apple may work with a manufacturing partner to produce the vehicles and is developing next-level battery technology to extend range and efficiency. Apple has held discussions with Hyundai and other automobile manufacturers and will allegedly ink a deal by March, with an aim to start production in 2024. However, Economic Daily News, a Taiwanese newspaper, citing sources within the supply chain, said the car could actually appear as early as late 2021, though that's highly speculative given usual automotive lead times, plus Apple's lack of expertise in the field, would be extremely difficult. Nevertheless, a translated version of the story said, in response to the demand for Apple car sourcing, Taiwanese manufacturers are busy, a full burst of orders. So, could the Apple iCar be coming in the near future? An Apple car would almost definitely be an electric car that, like Tesla's vehicles, would be supported by over-the-air updates, touch screens, and mobile apps. In a way, Tesla made the type of car that you would expect Apple to have if it had made electric vehicles. However, Tesla's brand image is one of impulsive behavior versus Apple's solid reliability. For all of the love that is shown to Tesla, there are plenty of consumers and businesses that are eager for a strong and innovative competitor to challenge the company. Apple is no doubt among the most popular brands in the US and a very powerful company. When it enters a market, it tends to dominate within a very short period of time. An electric car is all about the battery, and Apple has plenty of experience with advanced battery design. It also knows how to work with thermal design limitations and often innovates with outside-the-box battery and cooling system designs. Modern cars also rely on computers, and that's clearly not a problem for Apple with the development of processors. Modern travel is moving toward autonomous vehicles, meaning the car has to drive itself, at least in part, to compete with Tesla and other brands are catching up. To drive safely, a car must have a vision system. In many advanced solutions, rely on LiDAR. Apple just dramatically increased the volume of low-cost LiDAR scanners being produced worldwide with the introduction of the 2020 iPad Pro and iPhone 12 Pro models. According to the rumors about the Apple Car, here are the features of the vehicle. First of all, everyone expects that the car could greatly surpass the expectation and get somewhere between 400 to 500 miles with a single charge. This is what Apple allegedly is aiming for. Moreover, the internet is full of rumors that the Apple Car will have a super fast charge time. Allegedly, Apple is going to integrate some sort of solar panel on the vehicle so that the car's battery could get an extra boost when needed and charge the cars really fast. The next feature is the self-driving technology. Just like Tesla and BMW, Apple is going to include an autopilot feature that enables the car to self-park and perform other partially autonomous functions like navigating at low speeds in congested areas. The company is likely waiting for the entire legal and regulatory framework to be established before including the technology in a consumer vehicle. According to the report, fully autonomous long-range driving at highway speeds will likely come between 2020 and 2025. Apple's car team explored a wide range of technologies, including silent motorized doors, car interiors without steering wheels or gas pedals, augmented reality displays, an improved LiDAR sensor that doesn't protrude from the top of a car, and spherical wheels. But there's no clear vision for the car, and executives disagreed even on major points like whether the car should be autonomous or semi-autonomous, leading to delays and internal strife. As a result for the internal issues, in January of 2016, Steve Zadisky announced plans to exit the project, leaving questions as to who would take over following his departure. In July of 2016, former Apple executive Bob Mansfield, who had retired from Apple in 2012, returned to lead the electric vehicle team. And here are some other features. Lots of displays for data and entertainment, Siri's ability to control everything in the car, a high level of personalization, and even a retractable steering wheel. When it comes to what the car will actually look like, well, there's not much to go on because of the lack of relevant information. However, to make the electric vehicle as energy efficient as possible, the car will need to have an aerodynamic design to reduce drag. But what we know for sure, Apple is aiming for a revolutionary design that could potentially be used in a future autonomous vehicle. Apple is rumored to be in early negotiations with well-known automotive electronic suppliers for components for a potential upcoming vehicle-related product, and Apple is also said to be working to establish a factory in the United States. Apple in early 2021 entered into discussions with Hyundai, a possible manufacturing partner. Hyundai is said to be planning to transition the Apple Car development to its Kia brand as part of an arrangement that could see production happen in the United States. If and when an Apple Car is launched, it will make a big splash and will likely sell a large number initially, strictly based on brand strength. Whether it would challenge Tesla in the long term would depend on how well it competes with the vehicles that will come in 2024, and whether it can out-design and out-engineer the current leader in vehicle innovation. Tesla is moving at a frantic pace, and Apple's design won't be compared to the low-cost Model 3 or the luxury Model S of 2020. Tesla may keep those models rolling in 2024, but more likely the Model 3 will be replaced with something even better and at a lower cost, while the Model S might continue to evolve as the most desirable luxury vehicle of the future. If this challenge ever comes, it will be an epic one with Apple and Tesla, two of the United States' most user-focused tech companies, going head-to-head to claim the title of the most innovative and best electric car. What do you think about Apple Car? Do you believe that the Apple Car is going to be a real serious competitor for Tesla? Let me know in the comment section below. And while you're here, don't forget to check out these other great videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.